Hi everyone, I'm Athirstam. Our today's topic is market assembly. Assembling of goods. Assembling refers to the process of keeping the goods purchased from different places and it's done only after they have been bought. And certain amount of assembling is done by consumers also. Examples of assembling of goods. We may buy the goods needed for household use from various sources and keep stock. The manufacturer may buy different kinds of raw materials from different sources and keep this in his stores. A trader also buys goods from different manufacturers and keeps these in his house to be sold to consumers. And then types of assembling. In assembling, there are various types. Bringing together of small amounts of produce from greater convenience and economy in buying, transporting, or processing. Assembly occurs in the distribution of finished products. Wholesalers buy from many processors to have on hand the commodities wanted by retailers to supply the consumers. And then essentials of assembling. To know the source of supply, to know the quality of goods, to select the suitable center of assembling, to have specialized marketing middlemen, to have market intelligence service. These are the essentials of assembling. And then advantages of assembling. For a manufacturer, it ensures availability of raw materials and avoids shortage of stock. A trader who buys from different manufacturers is able to offer choice to his customers. It results in savings in transportation, cost, and handling charges for a manufacturer as the frequency of buying is reduced. It also guards a manufacturer against scarcity of raw materials that may hamper production. Advantages of assembly. In this also, as consumers, we tend to buy and keep stock of certain goods that may not be required immediately, but these may be required in future. The production of certain goods is seasonal, but their consumption is perennial. Example, agricultural goods. On the other hand, the consumption of certain goods is seasonal, but their production of perennial. Example, crackers. In either case, assembling is required. The main important thing in advantages of assembling is economy is the cost of transportation, helps standardization and grading, helps bulk sale, wider markets, cheaper warehousing, economic processing, a stable and regular supply can be ensured. And then what are the problems in assembling of goods? Now we see. Assembling depends much on the availability of storage facilities. Absence of proper storage may not allow the performance of assembling function. The perishable nature of certain goods, like fruits and vegetables, may not provide scope for assembly. Certain goods have a tendency to become outdated quickly. Keeping stock of such goods may only result as loss. Example, electronic goods. Excessive stock only results in blockage of capital. The quality of certain goods deteriorates with the effects of time. They may have to be discarded once their expiry dates lapses. Example, medicines. And then most common problems in assembling of goods is need of special skill, lack of transportation, absence of properly regulated markets, lack of standardization and grading. What is standardization? The other activities that facilitate marketing and standardization and grading. Standardization means establishment of certain standards or specifications for products based on intrinsic physical qualities of any commodity. This may involve quality, which is weight or size, or it may involve quality, that means color, shape, appearance, material, taste, setness, etc. Government may also set some standards. For example, in case of agricultural products, a standard conveys a uniformity of the products. And then final one, that is grading. What is grading? Grading means classification of standardized products into certain well defined classes or groups. It involves the division of products into classes made of units possessing similar characteristics of size and quality. Grading is very important for raw materials, marketing of agricultural products, mining products, and forest products. Branded consumer products may bear grade labels, that is A, B, and C. These are the examples of grading. Okay, thank you.